Hey everybody, it's Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel and an update. So we had a fantastic year. We sold over 50 engines, which was a milestone for us. But what this video is really about is we're gonna make some changes in the back. So we're gonna take stations that look like this, which was actually an upgrade to what we used to have. Everything was done on this bench over here. We actually added 2 more stations this past year. And this is the latest one. We just put this one in yesterday. This is a roughly 4x8 sheet of steel that's been bent over, and we built underneath it to support it as a bench. We're going to be moving this 12-foot bench over to this side as well to extend all the way down the side, leaving a gap in the middle so that we can utilize another corner of each bench. This is something that I acquired this year. This is a 2000 Vet. It's in near mint shape. I do have a crack on the windshield, otherwise it would have been mint. These are going to stay here, I believe. And today we're cleaning up this mess. And we're going to move those doors and that shelf over here. So we'll update you guys later when it's all done. I just wanted to touch base with everybody. And yeah, I got to start making long content again because I got to get my hours back up because I lost my monetization status. Yeah, that's that, folks. If you guys want to see some videos on the Vet, let me know. I have been doing some, that would be my phone. I also have been doing some videos with regards to my gym and my dog, and those perform very well. I just need to get these ones off the ground. All right, until later. See ya.